Oh yeah, I finally got my Mavic Mini, the everyday fly cam. This is the Fly More combo and we're going to unpack it. I just got this little thingy, so let's go. So we open it up and we got this case. DJI Mavic. This box. This is really lightweight. I'm guessing there's no use or manuals in it. Awesome packages. Let's see what this is. Not that easy. More documents, as indicated by that little thingy. We got the plug. Always need the plug. And I think these are the batteries. Okay, pretty cool. Let's see how it looks. Open up this case, which is probably the most important part. Really great visual, sorry for that. Oh. And it's the drone itself. Looks cool. Awesome little drone. Really can't wait to fly with it. We got this thing, which is probably the charging station, I guess. I think I can open it. Excitement. And it is. Charges up to 3 batteries at once. As you can see, of course, there's no battery in it yet. Then we got the remote control. This is quite important. I'm going to control that remote. It's a bit harder to open. And we get 2 more packages. Oh, and there's something else inside actually. Okay, so we opened up the remote control. Looks pretty cool. I previously had the Spark, and I think it's almost the same one. Has these analog sticks, a little bit less buttons, and these are buttons like a game controller, and of course antennas. And you can click your phone here. So let's see what else is inside this magical box. We got combo accessoires. Wow. It's probably the bumper thing. I really hate how this is not really easy openable stuff. Sorry guys. Hey, this one is actually open. And we got spare rotors. Okay, so we got these, the screws to attach them. It's pretty cool. But this is very probably the bumper. I have no idea how to open this shit. Oh well. Maybe this way. Yep, we got it. We got it. A little bit chaotic, guys. Sorry. And what is it? Here it is. Here it is. It's a USB cable. Oh, not what I expected. It is another USB cable. Let's just throw these on the table. Well, this is very probably the cable box and a screwdriver to attach the other thingies and some other spare parts. Well, let's open up the rest of this stuff. We can fix it. Okay. Starting to get the hang of this. So, the plug, which can be attached to the cable we earlier had. These are the batteries. This is by far the heaviest part of the entire package, actually. And it's the least easy to open, as I demonstrate live to you. Okay, we got this, guys. 5 seconds. It's the 3 batteries. Yes, they are. Easily removable, probably. Yeah, as you can see, you can put them in the charging case. Well, that was cool. So there are documents inside this one. We've got these things, and as you can actually see, I missed this, but there actually is a logo on it. You can see what it is, and it's the, how you call it, wing protectors, rotor protectors, I don't know, but it's those. So, I'll pick out one. Oh, that's pretty big. So that's it, the DJI Mavic. Of course, I'm gonna have to learn how to click this, remove everything. Can't wait to fly. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.